Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. This is your teacher Miss Fatma Aslam from class nursery. Today in English written our topic is write the beginning sound of picture. As you can see here I have two same worksheets. So we will start doing our worksheet from the left hand side, so you have to look at the left hand side worksheet very carefully. Okay, now here the first picture is peacock. Okay, and first you have to look at the picture and then you have to just write the beginning sound from which the picture is beginning. Okay, the first sound of the picture. The first picture is peacock, and here you can see four lines are given. You will start writing per from the second line, and it's a black line. Start from a second line, go down and down, touch the red line, then up and up again on the first black line, and then turn, and then you have to turn and it's become per. Now the second picture is fish. You have to write fur. First starts from the red line, first red line, fur is down and down. Fur is like a walking stick. Fur is down and down. Fur is like a walking stick. You have to stop it on a second black line and then put a line across. Put a line across on a black line. Now the third picture is kite. Kite. Then start writing curve from the first red line. K is down and down. Stop it on the second black line and then give it a kick between two black lines. Okay students, now moving towards the fourth picture. The fourth picture is umbrella. A umbrella. You will write a between two black lines. Starting from the first black line, A is down, turn, go up, come down. This is a formation of A. Again put a pencil on a first black line. A is down, turn a little, go up and come down. Again you have to come down on a second black line. Now the last picture is elephant. Elephant. You have to write between two black lines and start writing between from the point between black lines. Okay, put your pencil between the black lines. Then A is like an eye and turn around. A makes an eye and turn around. Okay students, hope you have got my lecture and understand it very well. I hope this will help you in doing your homework. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.